1. What is the normal blood pressure? Option B, 120/80. 2. Which exercise is best daily? Option C, walking. 3. Which nutrient gives quick energy? Comment your answer below. 4. Which nutrient builds muscle? Option C, protein. 6. How many teeth do adults have? Option B, 32. 7. Which vitamin is good for eyes? Option B, vitamin A.